Oh my gosh, guys, it's freezing out. I just got out of work, but we got the 240 because it's boost weather. It's incredibly cold out. And also because the Mustang's broken, which you guys will see in a later video, unfortunately. 42 degrees, golly. This is gonna be a real cold start. I'm hoping she's got the battery for it. There we go. That's a good sign. This car was tuned in the cold weather, so it honestly runs just as good in the cold as it does in the hot. It kind of sucks in the hot sometimes, but the Link ECU does a lot of compensation for that. What do we got? 66 degree water temp. Nice. Oh, she's really camming right now. So we've gotten her up to 170 now, which should be good enough to get on the road. But I brought a microphone this time to try and help out with the audio quality a little bit, because this car is just so dang loud on the interior. There's so much like noise that just happens. It's hard to get good footage sometimes. It's midnight right now and I just got out of work, and it's beautiful boost weather right now, so I can't think of a better opportunity to just take the old 240 out on a cruise on the way home. And I thought you guys might be interested in joining me. I know she's gonna be quick in this boost weather. Last time I drove it in boost weather like this, I blew the charge pipe off and it was not this cold out. My IATs are 55 degrees right now, holy. The pads are freezing. There we go. Hydro didn't even work at all there. Oh my goodness, my hands are so cold. I'm not used to this weather. Take her on the back roads. We're gonna hit the Florida toge, if you can even call it that. Jesus, this thing's loud and clunky. I feel like I'm driving a race car right now. Coolant temps are going down. Now that I don't have the thermostat, I did the I have the spec tuned thermostat delete. And ever since then, the coolant temps have been about 15 degrees cooler on average. But I'm wondering if it's gonna have trouble keeping up to temp in this cold weather now that it doesn't have a thermostat. I haven't turned the fans on yet. I think we're spinning. It's hard to tell really, but I think we're just spinning. putting my AirPods back in. This car is too noisy. This diff is giving me a headache. There we go. Ah. I thought we could have got it. Yeah, every time I drive this car, I have to wear my AirPods because it's so noisy. It gives me a headache. It needs like interior sound dampening. Oh, we're spinning. We're spinning for sure. I felt it that time. I think I need to tighten my rear shock dampers because every time it spins on the roll, like if it'll just like spike wheel speed in second when the boost comes in, it gets this like weird drivetrain vibration and it feels like wheel hop, but like a very subtle wheel hop. And I'm not a big fan of it. I'm wondering if I should tighten my rear dampers to help with that, or if it's just like the Heims being all blown out on this on the rear arms, because it is pretty old ISR arms on there, and the Heims are not in the best condition. They have a bit of play. Oh, we're going down in temp. We're at 170 now. This thing's not even holding operating temp in this weather. It just means we gotta hot dog it more, I guess. Snappy like this. I've never felt the turbo so responsive. I was waiting for the lag and it just never lagged. It was just like bang. I look like a noob. That was L driving right there. It appears the audio has become unsynced, so we must clap. Dang it, dude, I gotta pee. I don't know what it is. I always gotta pee for some reason. Oh yeah, she's sporty tonight. 167 on the coolant temp. She's not staying warm. In first gear. I don't like that. I don't really like wheel hop since I broke the axle. If you guys saw my video of the Hurricane Milton, I think it was, I was being an idiot and I was out doing drifts in the rain because I was like, oh, there's no grip in the rain, there's no way anything will break. But I got wheel hop and the wheel hop just blew my axle apart. So I'm not a big fan of wheel hop since then. Dude, 163 coolant temp. This thing is getting a little bit too cold. Here's the toge. My mic might have stopped working. hound dogging down a dark road like this at night. There's so many live animals that run around this area. I'm like right in the woods part of Orlando. Like this is real swampy woods area. Lots of creatures, human and non-human. Fun road, even though we're just putting in 5th gear. PSI in the tires. The suspension is full stiff, and I have almost a ½ inch of toe out in the front. Now that's great and all for drifting, but for this nighttime toge in this cold weather, it's not the most confidence inspiring. How about we pull over real quick and get a little pick in this gas station lighting. Take advantage of this nice empty racetrack. Maybe let the coolant warm up a little bit because it keeps going below operating temp. Yeah, slight coolant system flex. Whew. She's looking good. Literally shivering. Can you see my breath? Oh, you can kind of see my breath. Let's get a thumbnail. All right. 188. Excellent. I'm freezing, dude. Holy. 190. All right, she got some temp up in her now. I've been out of work for a ½ hour now, and I still have not turned the fans on yet. I may have to though, if I don't get back on the road in a couple seconds. Whoop. Audio check. Estoy frío. Uy. Estoy frío. Lo siento para mí. Grammar. Oh, I want to go drifting so bad now. Holy crap. It's a virus. Don't start drifting. It's a virus, guys. Once you start, you can't stop. It's worse than drugs. It's way more expensive. Down to 51 degrees. What the hell? a time attack grip driving car. Now, I'm not sure exactly what that's gonna look like. Only the Lord knows, but I do want a grip car. Major wheel hop. Oh, I love it though. I love it. All right, guys. I think that will conclude our nighttime toge for today. You know, it was a successful drive when the drivetrain keeps making breathing and clicking noises. Got her nice and warm tonight. Oh. I get some warmth out of this turbo. Whew. It's not even that hot. Let me get by the header. Ooh, that's warm right there. That's real warm. That's nice. Personal heater. Ooh, my hands are like rejuvenated. Oh, the tower's hot. Ooh. Oh, holy crap, that's hot. That's a little too hot. Too hot for me. It smells like engine under here. Hate when it smells like engine.